Mouza, Ahmed. Are you ready for today's adventure? We're about to explore the incredible biodiversity of the UAE. Our first stop is the desert just beyond the learning center. Did you know that deserts, which may look lifeless at first glance, are full of amazing creatures? Look over there, Ahmed. That's the Arabian oryx. It was once extinct in the wild but was reintroduced thanks to conservation efforts right here in the UAE. The Arabian oryx is a symbol of resilience. It's adapted to survive in harsh, arid climates with little water. Isn't it amazing how animals like these have evolved to thrive in extreme conditions?
Wow, I had no idea. How do they survive with so little water?
Great question. They can go for weeks without drinking water, getting moisture from the plants they eat. And speaking of plants, Mouza, do you see that tree over there?
Which tree is this?
That's the gaff tree, the UAE's national tree. It plays a crucial role in providing shade, shelter, and even food for many desert animals. The gaff is a symbol of sustainability. It teaches us that, even in the most difficult environments, life can flourish if we protect and respect it.
Fizza, these trees look different. Why are they growing in the water?
Good observation, Mouza. These are mangroves, and they're one of the most important ecosystems in the UAE. Mangroves help prevent soil erosion, protect our shores from waves, and provide a home for fish, birds, and other wildlife. Plus, they act as a carbon sink, absorbing carbon dioxide and fighting climate change. Without them, the balance of life in these wetlands would be lost.
This is so cool! I didn't know wetlands were so important. What can we do to help protect them?
That's a great question, Ahmed. One way to help is by reducing plastic waste, which often ends up in the ocean and threatens the animals that live here. You can also participate in cleanup drives or plant more mangroves through community programs like ours at Warriorz. Now we're in the mountains, which are home to unique plants and animals you won't find in the desert or the wetlands. Look up there, that's a mountain goat, perfectly adapted to life on these cliffs. And do you see those patches of green? Those are plants that only grow in rocky soils and help prevent landslides.
It's amazing how every part of the UAE has different animals and plants. I didn't know so much about our biodiversity.
Exactly, Mouza. Each ecosystem is interconnected, from the desert to the wetlands to the mountains. If one part suffers, the whole system is affected. That's why it's so important to protect them all. Before we wrap up, there's something important I want to talk to you about. Biodiversity isn't just about plants and animals. It's about how everything works together to keep the environment healthy. And each of us has a role to play in protecting it. Now, here's what I need you to do. Start small, right here in the UAE. Join us at Warriorz Learning Center to learn more about how you can help preserve our ecosystems. You can plant trees, join beach cleanups, and even help with mangrove restoration. The earth needs our help, and together, we can make a difference. Are you ready to become Earth Warriors?
Yes, we're ready.